So I love that the manufacturers made this light really easy to transport. It's got this nice kind of faux leather case and even a strap, so you could stick it on your hand and walk around or connect it to something, and then it keeps it real nice and safe inside of here. It also comes with these magnetic adhesives, so if you wanted to put these on here so that it would then stick to something magnetized, that's a really great solution. I love that they included these. All right, so how do we actually get this to work? Well, first thing, you want to make sure that you have charged it up, which is right here. And then this piece is removable, so you can have this on or not. And then you can also switch it to the other side here. So I really like this because you're able to make it all these different colors. So let me go ahead and just show you how. So in order to turn it on, you just hold down the power switch. And now we have all these different amazing colors we get to choose from. And it's literally as simple as just moving this. Okay, and it's giving me, as you can see, the H there is moving to different numbers. They will reflect a different color, which corresponds to right here. So if we go all the way over to 270, it should give us like a purpley kind of pink. Yeah, there we go. So look at all these different fun colors. You can basically pick any color of the rainbow and anything in between. Then you can adjust how dim or how bright you want it, and then the different modes. We're kind of still figuring out how this works, but it's like we've got a color changing mode. That's pretty cool. Or you can just simply use white. So looks like you got color changing mode, white mode, and then just the static, you know, whatever color you're on here. Overall, I've been loving this. I've been using it for video creation, just so I have some fun lighting in the background. But this works really great. It's really nice and small. It's stable and sturdy, but also easy to travel around with if you're moving locations while you're recording film or need a nice light. So highly recommend.